Recently, TikTok released its creativity program, where people are making loads of money through simple and basic videos. Here is the one TikTok page I found out. You can see the views are insane. These types of videos get easily hundreds and millions of views, and they are generating huge amounts of money. You might know, the TikTok creativity program is only available in these countries, and if you're not from one of these countries, well, there is another method you can use to get access to a US TikTok account, which is applicable for creativity programs. Just go to usttaccount.com and you can find people from these countries selling activated accounts for very cheap prices. You just need to purchase, and this will automatically show your creativity program dashboard once you hit 10,000 followers lifetime and 100,000 views in 30 days. And that is so easy if you just upload 2 videos per day. The TikTok algorithm runs really quickly, and your videos will easily get impressions to new viewers. I would suggest that you buy one of these US TikTok accounts because it's totally worth it. Alright, let's go back to the topic. This owner only shows stock footage or random images from the internet and compiles it together and puts some AI voiceover behind it and posts it every single day. And you can see the views this channel is getting. That is super insane, right? Just take a look at one of these videos first.
The top 3 richest TikTokers in the world. Number 3. Kabi Lame. For his humorous and relatable short videos.
You have seen many of these videos on the internet, like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok here as well. Well, this video is monetized. Can you believe this for a second? For monetization on TikTok, you will need to make it at least 1 minute long, and there should not be any copyrighted music included. For reference, TikTok pays around $1 per every 1,000 views. And you can do the math. I wish I could tell you this, but I'm horrible in doing maths. Well, you have the idea now. Let's just make these videos. Well, search for some topics like he's done before. You can take advice from AI like ChatGPT, but I will research this on Google to get some fresh or trending news about any topic. If you have access to ChatGPT 4.0, you can search some topics over there to get a bit of ideas. You know what I mean. For examples, he is covering some of the richest YouTubers or the biggest celebrities. Something like that, I guess. For the sake of this video, I will search for YouTubers. I guess that is the easy way of getting started. Later on, I will make the short script and then use a free AI voiceover from 11 Labs to go along with it. Do keep in mind to make the video at least 1 minute long, so we can get the full advantages of the TikTok creativity program. Then we'll edit this on CapCut, a very popular web-based 100% free software. Let's do this. In the first step, let's make the script. I will not put that much time into doing this stuff. That is super simple for me, I guess, because you don't have to make it perfect at this time. Take help from ChatGPT if you could, but I would suggest that you do your own research. Okay, I have it now. Then head over to 11 Labs and paste our script into this box. I will choose the speaker I want and then hit generate. We have got this. Okay, let's find some images based on our video script. You don't need to rush. Keep it slow. And don't worry, if you get any copyrighted images from the internet, this will not cause any copyright issues, since we are putting some more value into it. We are not just copying them and straight pasting into the videos. Here you go, the final part. Head over to CapCut and import all the files. Then, drag the voiceover to the timeline, and line up the photos and videos according to the voiceover. If you are new to CapCut, I recommend you follow along with me for this edit I'm making. Get the copyright-free music from the internet. There are loads. Now, I'll give this video auto caption. Here are some presets you can choose. This is mind-blowing in this free version. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna give it some effects to make this catchy to the viewers. And make sure to give some uniqueness so your viewers can recognize for future videos. And now, we are ready with our video. After adding some effects and background music, this will look totally different to engage the viewers. Now we have the video, and let's check out the final outcome.
Top 5 richest YouTubers in the world in 2024. 5. Ryan's World. Ryan Kaji, only 12, skyrocketed from toy reviews to YouTube sensation, amassing over 38 million subscribers and a net worth of $100 million. His brand partnerships with giants like Walmart and Nickelodeon keep the cash flowing. 4. Jake and Logan Paul. The Paul brothers, YouTube veterans, continue to draw massive crowds. Logan's ventures into boxing and WWE, along with Jake's business with KSI, contribute to their combined net worth of $155 million. 3. Jeffree Star makeup mogul. Jeffree Star reigns supreme with a net worth exceeding $200 million, driven by his cosmetics line and lucrative brand deals, despite facing controversies. 2. Like Nastia. At just 9 years old, Like Nastia boasts a staggering 115 million followers, earning millions from YouTube and brand partnerships. Her net worth is estimated at a whopping $260 million. 1. Mr. Beast Jimmy Donaldson, aka Mr. Beast, has conquered YouTube with his unique blend of generosity and viral content. With over 256 million followers, he sits atop the throne as the richest YouTuber of all time, boasting a staggering net worth of $600 million. Charity and viral content remain his winning formula.
That is insane, isn't it? There are lots of niches available on the internet. Somehow, if you didn't find this niche helpful, you can research some of those and get something you like to make. That will be so much easier to stay consistent. TikTok will generate you lots of money if you continue to stay consistent on their platform. And that's all. Make sure to hit subscribe to get more content like this. And thank you so much for watching.